Ya, 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 ya. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Ya, 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 ya.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I love art very much. Come with me and let's explore the world of colors and emotion. Here are some words useful to talk about painting. Portrait, landscape, still life. A painter uses different kinds of colors: pastel, watercolors, wash.
Dagli tanti baci, 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 baci. Prendi una matita tutta colorata e disegna cieli blu. Yeah, 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 yeah. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Yo, 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 yo. Seguila felice ancora sarai. Prendi una matita e disegna un lago azzurro. Tutti pensieri, tutti i dispiaceri e sorridi al mondo intero.
Now open your eyes and write the words that you remember. Write what you remember. Now.
E disegna cieli blu, giù, 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 giù. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Ye, 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 ye. Seguila felice ancora sarai. Prendi una matita.
Is this light, dark, or bright? Bright, yes. This one, bright.
Sopra un verde prato, braccio c'è il viso amato. Dagli tanti baci, 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 baci. Prendi una matita tutta colorata e disegna cieli blu. Yo, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Yo, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Seguila felice ancora sarai.
Join me now and visit my gallery. Here are some impressionists. Oops, I also have some assistants.
The Impressionists were an independent group of artists. They loved painting on open air to capture the effect of lights at different times of the day. The name comes from the title of painting by Claude Monet, Impression, Soleil Levant.
Des taches plein sa blouse,
Silent.
ses sabats en bataille, ses alpins.
Paul Cézanne was a French painter. He was born in Aix-en-Provence in southern France. At 23 years old, he moved to Paris to work with Impressionists. Cézanne painted different subjects: self-portraits, portraits, seascape, landscape, but above all, she loved painting still lifes.
Paul Cézanne loved exploring the shapes in nature and used the shapes and lines on canvas to create a composition. In fact, in Cézanne's paintings, we can find cone, cylinders, spheres, cubes.
Now to study Seurat.
This is Georges Seurat. Georges Seurat was born in Paris and studied art at the École de Beaux-Arts.
In 1884, the Salon, the official art exhibition of l'Académie des Beaux-Arts in Paris, infused his painting, Brothers and The painting was a show at the Salon des Indépendants, and Seurat became well known in Paris. Seurat developed a new technique, which people called pointillism. He called it divisionism.
Is a new method of painting used small dots of paint to form figures.
Nous ne mangions qu'un
Dei puntini, non vedi più l'uovo, è vero Marius?
dans les cafés voisins. Nous étions quelques-uns qui attendions la gloire.
Dear kids, let's meet Renoir.
Renoir was born in Limoges, France. He painted fans for a living. Later, he started to work in a porcelain factory.
After this experience, he became a copyist at the Louvre in Paris. He copied the works of the master painters. He became friends with Monet since Basile.
Renoir and Monet were friends, and they often painted together. This is a painting he made of Monet painting in his garden. Renoir thought a picture should be a pleasant thing, joyful and free, and his work reflected this philosophy. When he was older, it became difficult for him to hold the paintbrush, so he had to strap the brush to his head. Here are some famous paintings: young girl combing her hair, girl with watering can, Madame Charpentier, young girl at the piano, luncheon of the boating party.
Starry, starry night.
And now let's meet one of the most well-known painters.
Van Gogh was born in 1853 in southern Netherlands. In 1880, at the age of 27, he decided to become an artist. His brother Theo helped him. In 1886, Van Gogh joined Theo in Paris and met many impressionists.
His style changed, became lighter and brighter. In fact, in the early years, Van Gogh used dark colors, as browns and dark greens. This is the famous painting, The Potato Eaters. The colors are dark.
In 1886, Van Gogh moved to Provence in southern France, where he painted his famous series, Sunflowers.
Van Gogh was very ill. He spent time in hospital, where he painted a lot of paintings.
School of Regina.
The School of Resina was a group of Italian artists that painted landscapes and scenes in a non-academic realistic style. The artists met in Resina, now Ercolano, just south of Naples. The most famous members were Giuseppe De Nittis, Marco Del Gregorio, Federico Rossano, Nicola Parizzi, and the Florentine sculptor Adriano Cesoni.
Giuseppe De Nittis was born in Barletta, Apulia. In 1861, he moved to Naples to attend the Academy of Fine Arts. In 1867, De Nittis moved to Paris and became an impressionist.
Marco Del Gregorio was one of the leaders of the School of Resina. He studied at Academy of Fine Arts in Naples. His first subjects were drawn from history. Later he studied in landscapes and scenes from the everyday life of the common people.
Federico Rossano was born in Naples and a member of the School of Resina. In 1893, he became a professor at the Royal Academy of Design. His pictures are on exhibit in Great Museum, like Cavo di Monte. Some of his paintings are auctioned on the international market. Nicola Parizzi was born in Chieti. In 1842, he joined his three brothers, who were all painters in Naples. Here he studied.
at the Academy of Fine Artists. Many of his paintings were landscapes.
Together with his brothers, illustrated the important book about nature. He was attracted by gypsy life, and his painting with the good gypsy resting under some trees was exhibited in the Universal Exhibition in Paris.
Gypsy life has inspired artists above all impressionists. The Circus by Seurat, Van Gogh, The Caravans, Renoir Trip Scuro. This is by Caravaggio. The first exhibition of Roma gypsy art was held in Venice during the Toussaint and Singer Biennale of Modern Art. 16 artists from 8 European countries displayed their painting in a section of the Biennale called Paradise Lost. This is Gravity Minutes. If you ask him where he comes from, he answers where they will to go. Here are some his paintings. This is a painting of the Hungarian woman. She is Rebecca Movaci, who lives in Italy. Thanks for watching.
Prendi una matita tutta colorata e disegna cieli blu, yeah, 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 yeah. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Yo, 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 yo. Seguila felice ancora sarai. Prendi una matita e disegna un lago azzurro. Buttaci i pensieri, tutti i dispiaceri e sorridi al mondo intero. Sopra un verde prato traccia il viso amato, dagli tanti baci, 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 baci. Prendi una matita tutta colorata e disegna cieli blu, giù, 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 giù. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Yeah, 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 yeah. Seguila felice ancora sarai. Prendi una matita e disegna un lago azzurro. Buttaci i pensieri, tutti i dispiaceri e sorridi al mondo intero. Sopra un verde prato traccia il viso amato, dagli tanti baci, 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 baci. Prendi una matita tutta colorata e disegna cieli blu, yo, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Non dimenticarti questo consiglio. Yo, yo, yeah, 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 yeah. Seguila felice ancora.